Alright, today here we have a leaking oil pressure sensor. It's right here. That's where it's at. This is a DD15. It's going to be located underneath the thermostat housing here. So this is fairly a simple job. This is the part number right here. I'll also leave it in the description. You don't need too much. I got a special socket here. It is the 1/1/16 socket. It's an oil socket, so an oil sensor socket. So you see how deep it is? It's going to be able to fit in there. Then I use a pick just to pull the tab without damaging it. So, alright, so first I'm going to start by pulling this tab. That's where I have this. Easily pull that back. It pulls out just like that. And we've got the socket. Be able to get in there. So I ended up using another socket because the sensor on here is actually like a 9-point. It's weird. Just didn't fit to my socket. The new one fit. So as you can see, I broke it down. So there we go. It's out. I had to use a different socket, same size. The other one just fit weird. It's a special socket. I don't know, maybe because it's heavy. So I had to use an 11/16. Yeah, 11/16. And that went in pretty well, but it wouldn't go on this side. Sensor. It fits just barely, but it'll be able to fit my sensor in there. So I've got some brake clean on here. I'm going to clean up the surface pretty good. O-ring on there. New one, the ones that come with the truck don't come with O-rings. Here it is.